So a well-defined content strategy is crucial for any organization aiming to effectively communicate with its audience. It serves as a roadmap guiding the creation, delivery, and governance of useful and usable content. So by clearly defining the purpose of the content, it aligns the content with its business objectives and user needs. This strategic approach ensures consistency in messaging. It's very important, and it enhances brand identity and improves user engagement. So a content strategy also optimizes resources by identifying the most effective channels and types of content, leading to better ROI. It also aids in anticipating future content needs, enabling your organization to stay ahead in a rapidly changing digital landscape. So in essence, a well-crafted content strategy is not just about producing content, it's about producing meaningful content that resonates with your audience and drives tangible business results. A robust content strategy comprises several key components that ensure its effectiveness. So first, audience analysis is vital. It's understanding who the content is for, their needs, their preferences, and pain points, and that guides the content's tone, style, and substance. Content goals aligned with broader business objectives define what the content should achieve, whether it's brand awareness or lead generation or customer education. And then a content audit assesses existing content. It provides insight into what works and what needs improvement. An editorial calendar is a crucial tool for planning and organizing content production, and that ensures a consistent and timely flow of content. Content governance outlines roles, responsibilities, standards, maintaining quality and coherence across all of your content. Distribution channels and promotion strategies are equally important, determining how the content reaches and engages your audience. And then last, metrics and KPIs for performance measurement enable ongoing evaluation and refinement of your strategy. And these components working cohesively, they create a dynamic content strategy that resonates with your audience and fulfills your business objectives. Then conducting a content audit involves a systematic review of all your content, assessing its quality and effectiveness in meeting your goals. So to start, you'll want to inventory your content. List every piece across all platforms. This includes articles, videos, social media posts, and any other form of content, and then categorize that content based on various attributes such as type, topic, format, publication date, those sorts of things. And then perform a qualitative analysis. That means how good is this piece of content, right? So evaluate each content piece against predefined criteria like relevance, accuracy, engagement metrics, SEO performance, and then alignment with your content strategy. Identify content gaps or areas for improvement. Are there topics you haven't covered yet? Are there outdated or underperforming pieces that need updating or just plain removal? Analyzing user engagement and feedback can provide insights into content effectiveness and audience preference. So after that audit, create a detailed report summarizing your findings, highlighting strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. And then based on this, develop an action plan to enhance your content strategy, focusing on creating high quality, relevant, and engaging content that aligns with your business objectives and your audience needs. Setting clear and measurable content goals and KPIs as key performance indicators is fundamental to a successful content strategy. So your goals should align with your broader business objectives, whether it's increasing brand awareness or generate leads or boosting customer engagement. And then for each goal, establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound KPIs. That's the SMART acronym for progress and success. So for example, if the goal is to enhance brand awareness, relevant KPIs might include website traffic or social media followers and brand mentions. For lead gen, focus on conversion rates and number of new leads and lead quality. Then engagement goals could be measured through metrics like time spent on site and content shares and comments. You'll want to regularly monitor these KPIs to understand the effectiveness of your content strategy and use analytics tools to gather data and analyze trends. It's crucial to be flexible and willing to adjust your strategy based on the performance data. And this ongoing process of setting goals, measuring results, and refining strategies ensures that your content remains effective and aligned with your changing business needs and your audience preferences. Effective content management involves a holistic approach, integrating a well-defined content strategy, regular content audits, clear content goals, and then measurable KPIs. And at its core, a well-defined content strategy acts as a blueprint, aligning content with both business objectives and user needs, ensuring consistency in messaging and your brand identity. Conducting content audits is an essential practice in this framework. It involves evaluating existing content to determine its effectiveness and relevance, identifying gaps and uncovering opportunities for improvement. And this systematic review feeds back into the strategy, informing decisions about content creation and curation. So setting specific measurable content goals is another crucial element. These goals derive from your broader strategy, give direction to content efforts, and ensure that they contribute meaningfully to your business objectives. Whether you're aiming for increased engagement, lead gen, or brand awareness, these goals provide a clear focus for content initiatives. And then complementing these goals are KPIs, which are vital for measuring the success of your content strategy. They provide quantifiable metrics to assess whether the content is achieving its intended purpose. And then regular monitoring and analysis of these KPIs offer insights into content performance, enabling you to continuously refine and optimize your strategy. And then integrating these elements, strategy, audits, goals, and KPIs, that creates a dynamic, responsive content management process. It ensures that your content not only resonates with your target audience, but also drives tangible business results, adapting to your evolving digital landscape and audience preferences. And this holistic approach is key to maintaining a competitive edge in content marketing and communication.